All right, here we go. 4 minutes on the clock. Go. All right, that's our time. And so our question is, what is the best summary of the excerpt? An excerpt is just a part of a book taken out. So this is from A Little Princess, which was written by Frances Hodgson Burnett. So what is the best summary of this? A. Sarah stayed with her father in a hotel for a while before he had to sail back to India. A. Gave us our beginning. What about the middle and end? A can't be our answer. B. Sarah stayed with her father and went shopping. He bought her many fine clothes. The clothes were so nice that people believed that she must be a princess. Here's our beginning. The second sentence is what happened in the middle. And lastly, people begin believing that she was a princess is our end. Because right here talks about perhaps she was a princess. So B could be our answer. C, Sarah did not want her father to leave, so he decided to take her shopping and buy her many nice things to remember him by. That's the middle. What about the beginning and end? C can't be our answer. D, Sarah and her father went shopping for expensive clothes so that people would know she was really a princess. That gives us our middle and our end, no beginning, so D can't be our answer. If you chose B, you are correct. Let's look at our Disney movies. Okay, Bugs Life. Toy Story. Lady and the Tramp. Alright, so this is our last one, and we are going to go over author's purpose, which is why the person wrote what they wrote, the reason why they wrote it. And there are 2 questions here. We're going back to 2.5 minutes. Ready? Go. All right, that is our time. So question number 1 is asking, what is the main message in the story? A, people should be happy with what they get. Could be our answer because the youngest brother was unhappy with getting the cat. B, people should share with their family. Not the reason why the author wrote this. That's not what the author is trying to get you to understand. C, people need to work hard in life. Again, not the reason why the author wrote this. Not the purpose for this paragraph. Number 2, what is the author's purpose? To persuade, to inform, or to entertain. They're not trying to get you to buy or anything or to feel a certain type of way or to think a certain type of way. A can't be the answer. This is not giving us facts and information, so it can't be to inform. It's not an informational text. C, to entertain. We know cats can't talk. This is something that's make-believe. It's simply to entertain or for you to enjoy. So the answer here is C. If you chose those answers, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. And let's go look at our Disney movies. Dumbo. It's supposed to be Dumbo with a U. D-U-M-B-O. That's a pretty easy one. All right, so that is the end of today's comprehension lesson. You are going to turn this in and move on to our next part of today.